Hi everyone, thanks for being so many to attend the webinar on January 21st. Please find here a recording of the presentation made on that day, and if you have any question or would like more information on our solution, please don't hesitate to contact me. You have my address just here and at the end of the presentation. See you soon! So, welcome to the presentation of Wamasys, a billing and payment collection software designed especially for the distribution of water. We have 6 years experience and are currently working worldwide in Bangladesh, Ivory Coast, and in the Philippines since 2016, managing almost 300,000 invoices a month. What we have noticed is that many operators are usually not satisfied with their current system to manage everyday operations. Visibility on operation is often low because of data that can be misleading and not analyzed. Payment collection rate is not good because not optimized, and the non-revenue water is high because of technical and commercial losses. Besides, the current systems are often not easy to use for the team, and many tasks are not automated. Finally, the needs of the customers are not always taken into account, such as more convenient payment options, more visibility on their consumptions and last payment, or even a better customer service. To solve those issues, what Wamasys is offering is a tool bringing together managers, meter readers, accountants, plumbers, and even customers. Accessible from anywhere, it allows all stakeholders to share information efficiently to the benefit of the organization. Managers could know instantly what's going on in their company and solve problems more accurately. Employees would work more efficiently and communicate easily with all other stakeholders. And customers could know what's going on and be able to report in case of problem. Wamasys, our solution, is based on an interaction between a smartphone application and an online software coupled with powerful reporting tools. This smartphone application works offline and it allows to read meter and collect payment on the field. Then synchronizes automatically with the online software. The online software allows to manage the water network, the customer database, the task management, and to do automatic billing and reporting. Focus is made on reporting capabilities thanks to the big data tool integrated into the solution, enabling to manage a big amount of data and do data visualization, and that is available online. Wamasys accompanies you every step of the way. It enables to manage daily operation efficiently, from water meter reading to invoicing, payment collection, and reporting. And it really helps operators save time, reduce error, and fraud risk. The solution is also super easy to use and has been developed in direct collaboration with the teams on the field to meet their needs as closely as possible and to be very efficient. Here are some screenshots of the solution. First, at the back, you can see the home page with a simple and user-friendly interface with real-time overview of the KPI of the selected area, or even an access to teamwork to facilitate the task management and job order. Then you have an example of a client's page. And on your right is the smartphone app showing the page used to read the meters. To make sure managers get an accurate insight on their organization, Wamasys integrates a big data tool that consolidates up-to-date information, analyzes it, and allows for data visualization. So in a blink of an eye, you can have access to all the relevant information to monitor your activities on tables, in graphs, or even on a map. You can monitor achieve and fail goals easily, detect issues and track their resolution, such as payment arrears, payment collection issues, or even water losses. You can identify trends, and it consolidates data instantly, either per agency, barangay, DMA, or even by selecting the area on a map. The information is available in real time and accessible online. So wherever you are in the country or in the world, you can have access to the data and monitor the activities in real time. Here are some examples of big data visualization graphs. First, a graph showing you the collection rate per month, then a comparison of the water consumption from one year to the next, information on your water losses, and lastly an example of visualization of the information on the map. To improve further the customer relationship, even remotely, we've also developed an online customer portal where the customers can connect and communicate with their operator, have access to real-time information about their consumption, invoices, and last payments, and even pay online. We are also partnering with e-wallet solutions such as Gcash or PayMaya, and some over-the-counter payments such as 7-Eleven. One of the big strengths of Wamasys is also that it's very flexible and it can really adapt to your organization processes. Wamasys is compatible with many different types of payment collections in your agency, on the field, through e-payment, or even in payment centers. It allows for numerous billing options based on consumption, fixed rate, installment plans, or microcredits. It is flexible on payments. It accepts advance and delayed payments, and it's totally flexible on the frequency of payment collections. And most importantly, it's super easy to use for your team in all situations, such as water meter changes, contract suspension, reopening, etc. Moreover, we ensure that the organization data is secure and reliable thanks to daily and multiple backups to protect against data loss, firewall and end-to-end encryption to protect against data hacking, data check algorithm and data traceability to protect against error and fraud risk, and strong and differentiated user right management to ensure data confidentiality. So just to quickly sum up before showing you a little video, our great added values are that you can really increase your payment collection rates as you can monitor easily your payment areas and act accordingly. And you can also choose the payment solution that is the closest to the needs of your customer, so it's easier for them to pay on time. You can identify more easily your water losses, both technical and commercial ones. You can also limit the trips of your staff and customers, as Wamasys enable a more efficient transmission of the information. The person collecting the data on the field does not necessarily have to come back to the office to transfer the data. He or she can do it from anywhere with an internet connection. Besides, your customer can also pay remotely and do not need to come line up at your agency to pay their bills. Second, it really boosts your productivity. It reduces the risk of error because there is no longer any manual entry back at the office and the data is transmitted automatically. Plus, we have algorithms that control the consistency of the data and raise alerts in case of abnormal values. It integrates a teamwork module to facilitate the communication and task management in between the organization staff and allow for a clear follow-up. Plus, the invoicing and reporting are automated, so no need to lose time to do it manually anymore. And lastly, wherever you are in the world, you can have access to operational and financial data, which is calculated automatically. This allows, when you have remoted offices, to have real-time access to data on consumption, payment collected, etc., and to identify directly if there is a problem, in order to be able to intervene in a timely manner. Now, let me just show you a little video that summarizes everything I just said. Okay, so I hope the presentation interested you. Once again, if you have any question or want to learn more on how Wamasys could help your organization get better results and start your digitalization journey, don't hesitate to contact me. You have my address just here, and I'll be happy to discuss with you about your needs and make you a complete demo of the solution. Maraming salamat po!